guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're brand new to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you my summer home decor refresh. I have changed up some of my summer decor from spring to summer and I would like to share it with you. I'm only sharing the main floor since that is where I have decorated. So come along. So I'm starting at the front door and there's not much different here than what it was earlier. I'm still keeping the spring pillows up. I have added the little dogwood branches and the Home Sweet Home is still the same. On my Bombay chest I have added this fake flower arrangement and I really like this piece. I'm not 100% sure whether I like it here, but I do love the way it looks. And then turning this way, I have kept the pillows because they're yellow, but I have changed up my coffee table and my fireplace. I'm just gonna turn on a light. So on top of the fireplace, I have several items that I have thrifted, and some are from Dollar Store, Hobby Lobby, and from HomeSense or Marshalls. Over there I just have a candle that went out. It is the Sun and Sand by Yankee Candle. The pillows are from HomeSense. That giant vase is from HomeSense. The dogwood branches I've had for many years, but they came from Dollarama. Then moving over here in my dining room, formal dining room, I have kept this arrangement and just added some dogwood flowers to it just to bring in the yellow to tie it in. And then this is the piece that I DIY'd. I have a video for it and originally had lavender in it, and I'm kind of loving the fact that I can change it up for the season. So I had made these lemon branches from Dollarama items, and the lemons are from Michaels. But the darker colored I've had for many years, the lighter colors are new. And here I have Honolulu Sun from Bath & Body Works candle. These hurricane lamps I've had for many years. They came from my wedding. I'm not sure where they got them. The birdcage is from HomeSense, and I just have some battery operated candles. Turning towards the table, I haven't done much here from spring. I have added the yellow flower to my arrangement, and I will link in a corner the DIY how I arranged this and made the vase, I guess. So you can see that there. Then over in my family room, I have changed up the wreath, the coffee table, and my 3-tiered tray. So moving on to the coffee table, I have a candle here that's pineapple cilantro from Yankee Candle, a lantern, and just some of these that came from HomeSense with the fake grass. The tray came from HomeSense as well. Just keeping it very simple. For springtime I had a candle holder, but it was very tall and then I constantly had to take it down so I can see the TV if I was laying down, so I tried to get something that's a little bit lower. On my mantle, the only thing that I changed from spring was the wreath, and I will link it up in a corner how I made this wreath. I love this wreath. I think it just ties up the whole decor in the house, ties it in together. And then moving over here, I have the 3-tier tray, and I kind of tried to bring in all the colors from the whole house in. That home sign I made myself. The greenery, it's the eucalyptus, the lamb's ears come from Hobby Lobby. The rest of it comes from Dollarama, though these balls come from Dollarama. The pots I made, they're just terracotta pots that I painted. There's 2 of them. This one says plant, and this one says grow. The owl's concrete, and it came from HomeSense as well. And then moving on to my kitchen. Here, there's not much. I have a video how I redecorated this kitchen, so I just have trying to tie in some of the blue from the outside because all my decor outside is blue. And then I just have my 2-tier tray with some thrifted canisters, lemon, and some Rae Dunn pieces. And the candle here is Juicy Citrusy, so that candle stays here all year round because it's very citrusy. And then moving over to here, kept it very simple. The flowers are from Dollarama. Same with these. This ball, this is a cereal ball from Dollar Tree. The lantern is from HomeSense. I just wanted it simple. If you watch my summer refresh, kitchen refresh, I tried different things here, but just stuck to the simplicity. Then turning down this way, I have tulips, another candle from Bath and Body Works, which is Tahiti passion flower. These are, all my candles are from last year leftovers, so I'm not quite sure if they actually have these scents anymore. So that tray was part of a gift arrangement that I received from someone, so I'm not 100% sure where it comes from. This I bought at my florist. The tulips are from Michaels. That's from HomeSense, and this is from Dollarama. The tablecloth, which is one of my favorite pieces this year, is I thrifted it for $3. And then over here I just have my blue vase or glass jar or whatever this is called, with just some flowers that I had from Dollarama. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple summer home tour. Love using yellow this season. Lemons are really working for me. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. Stick around, press the notification button so you don't miss out any of my future posts. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.